Tom, but before that, our top story today. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Here on ABC News tonight, we have an exclusive interview with the one and only petea Agre. He is here to tell us about himself and his amazing project he calls aquaporins and how they are and how they will help the world dramatically. Hi petea, it's a great pleasure to have you on the show tonight. First of all, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Hey, well, it's great to be here. My name is petea Agre, as you may know, and I was born on January the 29th, 1949, in the country of Norway. I have 4 brothers and 1 sister. We had a traditional childhood, and my dad was a chemist. I am based at the Johns Hopkins University School of Medicine, Baltimore, MD, USA.
Oh, so is your father where you get your inspiration from?
Well, yeah, that's a funny story, actually, because in school I failed chemistry, but my dad just kept pushing me, and it kind of kickstarted my career.
Now, I know you are a very promising chemist and have been for many years. So what kind of awards have you received over the years?
Oh, well, thank you very much. And yes, I've received some great awards over my time. I was inducted as the 163rd President of the American Association of the Advancement of Science, or the AAAS, the nation's largest scientific organization. Also, I was given the rank of Eagle Scout for my efforts. Recently, I was awarded the Nobel Prize for Chemistry in 2003 for my aquaporins.
Okay, so now, can you tell us a little bit more about these aquaporins?
Well, yes, certainly. Aquaporins are the plumbing system for cells. Every cell is primarily water, but the water doesn't just sit in the cell. It moves through it in a very organized way. The process occurs rapidly in tissues that have aquaporins or water channels. For 100 years, scientists assumed that water leaked through the cell membrane, and some water does. The lab had an NIH, which we used to isolate the RH molecule, but a second molecule kept appearing. At first, we thought it was a bit of the RH molecule or a contaminant, but it turned out to be an undiscovered molecule with an unknown function. I asked my friend and professor about this, and if aquaporin could be manipulated, it could potentially solve medical problems such as fluid retention or heart disease, and brain edema after stroke. This is what I will achieve in the future. This is why I am recognized for taking a great part in the understanding and development in chemistry, changing it and impacting it as we know. For this, I have received awards and leadership of the AAAS. So, if I get sponsored and funded, then I can manage amazing results leading to great cures and prevent life-threatening diseases. My future looks very bright in doing this, which I'm glad to say.
That's fascinating, petea. Thank you so much for coming in today and sharing that with us. I will look forward to hearing all about these developments in the future.